You don't need more time. You just need a much better system. Creators don't run out of ideas. They run out of structure. I stop overthinking and plan a whole week in half an hour content. Most people think content planning would mean sitting down and waiting for ideas to magically appear. That's why it feels draining. But planning content for 7 days in 30 minutes is possible when you stop planning randomly and start planning by structure. Here is the simple method. Step 1. Pick 3 content pillars. 5 minutes. Don't plan 7 different topics. That is where people is getting overwhelmed. Choose just 3 pillars. Example, education, tips, how-to, lessons. Relatable, your journey, struggles, mindset. Engagement, questions, opinions, community, talk. Now, your brain has direction. No more blank mind. Step number 2. Brain dump ideas in 10 minutes. Set a timer. No judging, just list. Ask yourself, what do people always ask me? What mistakes did I make before? What do beginners struggle with? What did I learn this week? You are not creating content yet. You are just collecting raw material. You only need 7 ideas, not perfection. Step number 3. Turn each idea into a post type. 10 minutes. Now match ideas with formats. This makes posting easier later. Example, idea. Why engagement is earned. Format, talking head video. Old mistakes as a creator. Format, story time, post. 3 things beginners overthink. List, post. What I do before posting. Behind the scenes. Questions for creators. Engagement post. Motivation for consistency. Quotation plus captions. Weekly lesson, learn, reflection. That's the structure. You are not filming yet. You are just assigning this. Step number 4. Light, outline only, 5 minutes. Don't write the complete scripts. That's where time disappears. Just write the outline like this. 1. Hook. Number 2, 2 to 3 main points. Number 3, ending questions. Done. That is your roadmap. Why this works? You don't waste energy daily asking, what should I post today? You already decided. Now your brain is free to create, not stress. Consistency becomes easier because planning becomes simple. Planning is not about being creative. Planning is about removing decision fatigue or tiredness.